Welcome to our very first segment, Will It Sledgehammer? The point of this is to see if our worst Christmas gifts will, in fact, break under the impact of a sledgehammer or not. So today we have the Polanis Calentador space heater. Actually, I think that's Spanish. The Polanis space heater. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit it while it's inside the box, and then we'll take it out and see what happens. All right? Was that good? That was good. Okay.
I hope you guys can hear me down there because we're rolling.
Impact number 1.
Okay.
This is the moment that we've all been waiting for. Now, we're going to plug it in and see if it survived a sledgehammer attack. On 3, we're going to say it together. Ready? You viewers at home can say it with me. Will it sledgehammer? I'm not hearing anything. Oh, uh-oh.
It's still turned on.
It's still turned on! Oh. Okay, so there's a loose wire or two. Oh, it's on the fan. Okay, so the fan's not running. The fan's not a-running, not a-turning. But the light turns on. So if you're ever in a stressful situation where you don't have power, you can always plug this your local.
You can't plug it in.
Then I guess you're screwed. Thanks for watching. Will it sledgehammer?